It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the eminent College of Management and Technology, established in the year 2015 under the aegis of Nirmala Foundation. Presently, we have 5 departments. In future, we are looking forward to include more courses. Now coming to our aim is to imbibe in learners a passion for teamwork and yearning for perfection. In just one line, our college is an incubation center for sharp, focused and industry-suited candidates. Our campus has a sprawling lawns, majestic buildings, classrooms, library, conference hall and laboratories. It is situated in an eco-friendly locale and provides a calm, serene and healthy environment for our students. Our Wi-Fi campus is a perfect place for professional education. We provide for our students world-class audio-visual enabled classroom. Our teachers are also providing world-class teaching equipped with modern technology. Now coming to the computer lab, we have arranged adequate number of computers for each student to make them learn properly. Coming to the language lab, to make our student well versed in English language, we have arranged language lab to make them learn English through an interactive session. Now coming to the B optometry lab, we provide here all the necessary instrument for the optometry courses and for their clinical purpose, which will help the candidates in future for their industry exploration. Now coming to the library, we provide our students a huge collection of books of their needs. National and international journals, magazines and various daily newspapers to enrich knowledge of our students. Along with library, we also provide e-library facility to our students to make them access various sort of national and international books and journals even from their home. We are also local chapter of NPTEL, National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. We are also a part of DELNET and NDL, National Digital Library. Now coming to the sports, for recreation and physical fitness, our college has arranged various sort of indoor and outdoor games for our students, and for this purpose we have a large green ground for our students. Our college also organizes several seminars and conferences on various topics in each academic year in our well-equipped conference room. Now coming to our canteen. In our canteen, we provide all our students healthy and hygienic food. So finally, we come to an end and hope to see you in ECMT. Thank you everyone for watching this